All right, we are still under um, consonant sounds in test of orals. And we have these two on the board. The first one is the ch sound, and this is sh sound. Ch and sh. All right? Yes. So when you see T and long S, it is ch. Only long S is sh sound. Then we have varieties of spellings like this under the ch sound. So chi can come in form of ch, can come in form of ture, can come in form of teous, can come as tu, and it can come as tual. All right. So we'll check all of them out right now. So under uh, the ch sound, that sound ch, you can have check. All right. Check. Very easy. Can you transcribe check? So you have check here plus e plus this. That's the transcription of check. All right. Then we have coach. 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 To transcribe coach now, first of all, you have the K sound plus O. All right. Then plus ch sound here, which is this. All right. Then you now put your slash to make it sound. All right. So that's that. Ditch. This one is still very easy. All right. Where you have ch, then by transcription you have this plus this. All right. Then we have ditch. All right. So that's what you find there. All right. Yes. Then we have chop here. All right. Which is ch still. By the time you are transcribing now, you have this plus your o sound plus p added. Finish. That's transcription. And cheap, where you have a case of this plus this and this. Then this chop will come as, this chop will come here in form of, this plus this plus this. All right, that's what you will have there. So that's that. Then what about ture? That sound ch too, like culture. All right, culture. All right, so ch there will now be like this. All right, yeah, because all of them here sounds ch. All right, yes. Then future, the same thing. Rapture, rapture, the same thing. Here we have. All right. Then the same thing with righteous, righteous. All right. So here is chi sound all the way. Then fortune. You can't say fortune. It's not T. It's ch. Fortune. So though it is T and U, so you pronounce both as ch together. Then you can't say mortuary, but mortua, much. All right. So you're going to have T here as ch again. Fortunate, fortunate. So you don't have fortunate, it's fortunate. So that's what you have there. Then you have Tual, all right, T sounding as what? Where you have ritual, ritual, ritual. You know, if you are to pronounce it well, to be ritual, all right, that AL there will not even sound, all right. Punctual, that's punctual, right? Yes. Then you line this here, here, and then actual. All right. So that's what you have. These are the varieties of spellings you have under chi sounds. Then away from there, if only long s is standing alone, it is sh sound. Sh. All right. Then in that case, you have the various spellings, varieties of spellings under the sh sound. Here we have sh, which is sharp, sharp. All right, sharp, sharp. All right. So if I am to transcribe sharp now, how will I do it? Okay, all I need to do is just to, put my sh sound here, which is like this. And normally you have long r as this, plus colon, which we are going to look at, plus p sound as sharp. All right, then shout. If I want to transcribe shout, then I'll have to do it this way. I'll put long s. Then what's the next sound that I hear? Is ow sound. And normally this is ow sound. So I just have to add it. Then what's the last sound that I hear? Is T. So that's shout. All right. Then shirts. All right. Under shirt, you have this sound again, all right, sh coming up, all right. And normally, if you are transcribing IR, OR, and ER, when they are found in the middle of a word, they are called and this is the sound, phonetic symbol used for it. So shirt now come like this, then this, shirt, all right. That's what you find there. Now let's continue with what we have. Then you have shirt, all right. Then what about this? You can't say sugar, although it's single s, it is sugar. Then you can't say I am sure, but I am sure, all right. Sure, all right. So this single s and single s you have in both sugar and sure, they sound sh, all right. Then we have ci there, all right, as a variety of spellings under the sh. So we have special, special, all right, special, special. Come to transcribe special now, just have something like this, all right. Spare, then I put it this way. That's special, all right. Then conscience, special, all right. Then we have the conscience. You can't say conscience, conch. Everything is sounding sh, and it will come back to this phonetic symbol. Then what about official? All right, so that's that. Then we have a case of single C there. You can't say ocean, but ocean, all right, ocean. So it is a sh sound that you still find under the word C sound there, all right. So that's that for these two consonant, sounds, both ch and sh sound. So that in our next class, we'll continue with the rest consonants.